Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever made rice and ended up with a watery mess, you're probably wondering how to fix it without starting over. Well, today I'm sharing a quick and easy trick using something you probably already have in your kitchen, bread. Let's dive in. Sometimes, even if you follow the recipe, rice can still end up too watery. But don't worry, there's no need to drain all that water and waste the rice. Instead of draining the rice, grab a slice of bread. Place it on top of the rice, then cover the pot with the lid. The bread will absorb all the extra moisture, and you'll have perfectly cooked rice without the mess. Let the rice sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. The bread will do its magic, soaking up the excess moisture. Once it's done, carefully remove the bread. You'll notice your rice is now perfectly fluffy, with no excess water. And that's it. This simple trick using bread will save your rice every time. If you liked this tip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you've ever tried this hack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.